Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. Hopefully everybody had an enjoyable Labor Day weekend. Taking a look at our homework for this evening in regular math, we've got practice 1.4b. It's preparing us for our Chapter 1 test that will be on Friday. In accelerated math, we've got a worksheet. It's called a fraction review. In science, there is no homework. However, in the accelerated class, they do have changing metric units assignment to do. In social studies, we need to finish our Atlas Introduction Google form. Make sure that you're using the Atlas that was given to you by Mr. Canfield to go through it and answer those questions. In language arts, in regular language arts, we have a writer's notebook, Chapter 1 entry. That is a writer's notebook. Remember, the audio is available, the text is available on Google Classroom in case you forgot what it was about. Also, there is a sample in regards to how you should have your setup and what you would do in terms of the length. For accelerated, the criterion essay, choose a pet, your first draft is your homework for tonight. Then we have to read 30 to 40 minutes for literature. Looking down at Mrs. Music, there is no homework in CNL or FCS 6. However, you can be working on your A Better You project or goal. That's going to be it for this Tuesday. Everybody take care.